Hi guys, welcome to another session of groups and conditionalities. Let's move to the first set now. So the set is there are 8 levers to a safe bank, to a safe in a bank. The conditions are as follows. One is on whenever the main or the power supply is on. So when will be the first lever be on? When the power supply is on. If the power supply is off, the first lever will not be on. None of the levers is on if the power supply is off. Lever 2 is on whenever the pin number is not input correctly. Lever 3 is on whenever the date of birth is not input correctly. 4 is on when both 2 and 3 are on. So guys, if any one lever out of 2 and 3 is off, the fourth lever can't be on. For the fourth to be on, both the levers 2 and 3 must be on. Moving to the next condition. 5 is on whenever either but not both 2 and 3 is on. So fifth lever is on whenever any one out of 2 and 3 is on. Sixth is on whenever the mobile number is not input correctly. Seventh is on whenever any two or more of the parameters are not input correctly. Now over here, what are the parameters? So there are three parameters in this set. The pin number, the date of birth, and the mobile number. So these are the three parameters. So which are the levers corresponding to these three parameters? Lever 2, lever 3, and lever 6. So for the lever 7th to be on, any two or more parameters must satisfy. Or I can say that for the lever 7th to be on, any two lever must be on out of 2, 3, and 6. Next condition, 8 is on whenever all these parameters are input incorrectly. Lever 8 is on whenever all these parameters are input incorrectly. Now let's move to the questions. So this is just a chart which gives us an idea about the conditions. So the main power supply must be on for all the other levers to be on. And then the conditions follows. Move to the question. How many of these 8 levers can be on at the same time at the most? Now, at the most means maximum. So the question is, maximum, how many levers can be on at the same time out of these 8 levers? So now we have to keep maximum levers to be on. It's up to us, right? We have to keep the maximum levers on. So let's see what we'll do. Now, obviously, the first lever has to be on because it's the main power supply. Now, we ourselves have to keep the maximum levers on, correct? So, this second and third lever as on. Now, if I on the second and the third lever, the fourth lever will automatically be on. If I on the second and the third lever, the fourth lever will be automatically on. And the fifth lever will be off. The fifth lever will be off. Now, for the sixth one, I'll keep it on. For the sixth one, I'll keep it on. If second, third, and sixth lever are on, that means I can say that the three parameters, all the three parameters are satisfied. Hence, lever 7 has to be on because lever 7, the condition is Any two parameters must satisfy. And over here, all the three parameters are satisfying. Hence, lever 7 has to be on. Now, what about lever 8? Lever 8 will definitely be on. Why? Because all the three parameters are satisfying. If all the three parameters are satisfying, I can say that lever 8 will definitely be on. Hence, how many levers are on? So, in all, 7 levers are on. Just one lever is off, that is the fifth one. Hence, I can say that at most 7 levers could be on. So, 7 is the answer. Guys, you just have to look for the conditions and try to apply some logic. The set is very easy. If you're clear with the conditions, you will definitely get the questions. Let's move to the next question now. If lever 5 is on, then which of the following levers are definitely off? Now, lever 5. When will lever 5 be on? The condition says that one out of lever 2 or 3 is on. Only in that case, lever 5 is on. This is the condition. But guys, do we know that which lever out of 2 and 3 has to be off and which lever has to be on? Obviously, we don't have this information. They have just said that any one lever must be on. That lever could be 2, that lever could be 3. Hence, we can't definitely say that lever 2 is on or lever 3 is on. We can't definitely say anything about 2 and 3. Hence, 2 and 3 are ruled out from the options. Now, let's see. Now, lever 5 is on, main power supply is on. We don't know. Any one out of these must be on. But I can definitely say that lever 4 is going to be off. Why is lever 4 going to be off? Because lever 4 needs both 2 and 3 to be on. And we know that any one out of these two levers is on. Hence, lever 4 is definitely off. So we got one lever that is definitely off. So that is lever 4. Now guys, just refer to the eighth condition. Condition for lever 8. For lever 8, the condition said all the three parameters must satisfy. But over here, out of 2 and 3, any one lever is off. Hence, the parameters will never be satisfied. So, lever 8 is going to be definitely off. Hence, we got the answer as lever 4 and lever 8. So, these two levers are definitely going to be off. Moving to the next question. Thank you, guys.